Right now, as you're watching this video, the sky above the United States is full of aircraft.
More than 10,000 planes are flying at the same time.
Passenger jets, cargo planes, private aircraft,
and military jets on secret missions.
You might think some of them are invisible.
But in U.S. airspace, nothing goes unseen.
Every aircraft is tracked in real time.
Its speed, altitude, climb, and exact position.
Updated every few seconds.
If a plane changes course unexpectedly,
alarms immediately light up.
So how does the United States track every plane in the sky?
The first line of defense starts right here on the ground.
These are ground-based radar systems spread across the United States.
They constantly scan the sky in all directions.
Radar works by bouncing radio waves off objects.
When those waves return, the system knows something is there.
This works even if the aircraft is silent.
Civilian radars guide air traffic.
Military radars watch for threats.
But radar only shows a dot. So aircraft use transponders to identify themselves.
Transponders send the plane's ID, altitude, and speed.
This keeps the sky organized and safe.
Ground radar can only see so far.
So the United States tracks aircraft from space.
These satellites watch the sky 24/7. They receive signals directly from aircraft. This system is called ADS-B. ADS-B uses GPS to find a plane's exact location. Every few seconds, aircraft broadcast their position.
If a plane changes course without approval,
controllers are alerted instantly.
And the military sees it too.
Unknown aircraft trigger rapid response.
This is how no aircraft disappears. Technology tracks planes, but humans control them. Air traffic controllers are the brain of the system.
They monitor thousands of aircraft at the same time, making sure no two planes ever get too close.
They maintain safe horizontal and vertical distance.
Controllers also guide planes around dangerous weather.
If a risk appears, alarms immediately activate.
Delta 3-1, turn right immediately, heading 190.
Controllers give clear, direct instructions. And most passengers never even notice.
But some areas allow zero mistakes.
Restricted airspace is constantly guarded.
When an aircraft enters restricted airspace,
An automatic alert is triggered instantly. The situation is immediately passed to NORAD.
NORAD controls America's air defense.
Interceptor fighter jets are placed on alert.
Sometimes, they're airborne within minutes.
The mission is visual identification.
Most violations are simple pilot mistakes.
The aircraft is safely guided out. But real threats are taken extremely seriously.
Decisions are made in seconds.
This system has prevented countless disasters. Every flight over the United States is constantly protected. Even when passengers are unaware.
Radar, satellites, and air traffic controllers.
All working together in real time. To keep the skies organized and secure.
Day or night, rain or clear skies. Millions of lives depend on this system.
It's an invisible shield over America.
A system designed to prevent disaster.
If this opened your eyes,
Subscribe for more aviation secrets.